Hello and welcome to another update video on gold. Yeah, I'm gonna help you understand the latest developments on the gold chart. And to be honest, as I look on the chart, as I went through the charts today, there is really not much to update because we're still here on the gold chart. We're still moving just between our micro support region, to which the price is now reacted, and micro resistance, which hasn't been tested yet. Does it need to be tested? Not necessarily. It's just important that it's important to understand that to keep the, let's say, downside pressure alive in this potential C wave that we're tracking, the market needs to hold below $3,450. So the parameters we discussed in the last updates, they remain relevant for now. Yeah. Quick reminder, the current idea is, the current thesis is that the price could have topped there in a B wave, which is a corrective rally after we had an A wave that bottomed in May. A three-wave A wave. You might recall that this was a swing high, then an A wave down, a B wave up, and a C wave down to complete wave A of a larger correction. Then we're now likely, oh no, not we are, but we possibly form the top in the B wave, which however is a very complex corrective pattern, WXY, which makes the entire structure messy. But that's normal in corrections. And then we could now have started the C wave down. Is it high confidence? No. Would I be surprised if we get another high? No. The reason is that this decline is far from clear. This is not clearly impulsive, and we are also still holding the first Fibonacci support area I shared with you already a few days ago. So, or a couple of weeks ago, no, last week or so. So this support is between 3,347 and 3,374. I mean, the box is being respected for now. Okay, so we have a small reaction. However, another breakout to the upside is only seen as alternative scenario. It doesn't mean it's unlikely. It just means it needs to give us some more evidence. We need a break above resistance to, let's say, believe it fully. Certainly, the yellow count needs to be considered, or it wouldn't be on the chart. And the micro support area is, as I said, still holding. Yellow, which is based on a so-called 1-2-1-2 setup, is again the alternative scenario, but would indicate that we are breaking out in a third wave next. I don't like this count so much because the last move up was in 3 waves, best I can tell. So it's not clearly impulsive either. So therefore, I think it can be best to just, let the market do its thing, be a bit patient, let some clarity come in first. What we are definitely doing here at the moment is ranging between Fibonacci support, which you know about, and Fibonacci resistance. And any break below support could open the door to a larger drop in the third wave. To calculate a target for the third, well, we need a top in wave 2 first. But for now, I'd say it is entirely possible that B wave topped. It reached standard targets. It was definitely high enough, that white B wave. B waves can always overshoot as well. So, I mean, if we push higher, it might be a third wave in yellow, but might also be an extension in B. And yeah, I think it's important to understand we're ranging here currently between support, resistance, and what we see right now is a little bit of upside. And I'm tracking this in the white count as an ABC structure. So we had a small rally overnight after futures market opened, wave A, or yeah, into the, just when the market opened, then a B wave pullback. And now this could be a C wave up. So we might move high, slightly above the A wave high, maybe touch that green line there, which is structural resistance from those previous swing highs last week, around 3,420. If we go any higher, you've got the next Fibonacci resistance levels to watch at 3,429 to 3,450. But to be honest, the situation hasn't changed. I just want to give you a quick update, as many of you have asked, but there isn't really much to update. So hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you want to get more updates on gold, silver, there are also some platinum updates as bonus. Check out our stocks membership. You can find the link in the description. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.